channel Shit Whip Garage. We're going to be teaching you how to take the governor out of your go-kart or lawnmower motor. First, you need to detach your motor from your frame if you haven't so already. Alright, so once you've got the motor sitting here, you want to remove all the bolts from the crankcase. Once you've done that, you want to slide it off, like so. Alright, you need to remove the gas tank and then the governor handle. Alright, so basically how the clutch works is you've got your throttle lever right here that opens and closes. So right here is idle. When you give it gas, it comes and there's a little spring in here that pushes out. It pushes out when it reaches a certain amount of RPMs. And that causes your throttle to push back, which makes it go slower. So it closes and it'll push it back out. So we need to pull out this yellow deal here using a pair of pliers. It should come right out. Make sure you get the washer that comes behind it. Now you've just got two little flaps. Once you've pulled this piece out, you look up in at this gear. There's a little seal that's right beyond this point here. And what you want to do is get a screwdriver and put it into that seal, and you want to hit it with a hammer and try to break it. Alright, now it might be kind of hard to get out, so you might have to break this gear out. Once it's broken out, this is what it looks like. Now there might be a few pieces of the gear left up in there, so you want to try and get those out the best that you can. And then down here at the bottom, get out any pieces of plastic or metal or anything like that. We want to get all those out. Before you go and put the case and everything back on, you want to look right here where your crankshaft and this gear meets up. There's a hole here and a hole here. You want to make sure that both of those line up, otherwise your timing will be off. So you have to pull this gear out and reline them up, which mine are lined up. Put back together, but we did have a problem with our gas tank and we weren't getting gas. So we've got this one on here, but everything runs, so let's try it out. Alright, that was how to take the governor out of a 6.5 horse Greyhound go-kart lawnmower motor.